how to make your own face for free in Roblox. So in this video, I'll show you how to create and upload your own custom face, and you'll be able to use this on your Roblox avatar. Now, the first thing you'll need to do is just go and open up an internet browser, and then you need to type in the word PixArt and then press enter. Click on this top website, which is pixart.com, and then press start creating. Now we need to create a free account. So you can go and sign in using your Google account, Facebook, Apple, or you can just continue with an email address. You can then go and close out of this window, select start new design, and press create from blank canvas. Now from this left hand side, go and click on background. You can then click on this option to create a transparent background. Now from the left hand side, go and select stickers. Now this is where you can start creating your own custom face. So if you click on the search box, you can go and search for the different items such as eyes, eyelashes, lips. You can also search for nose and blush as well. So just start moving the different elements to the canvas to start creating your face. Now once you're done, press export in the top right hand side, and then just go and download your image. Now, you may need to go and sign up for the 7-day free trial to go and download this. Change the file type to JPEG and then go and press download. Once it's finished downloading, open up another internet browser. Type in the word remove.bg and press enter, and click on this top website remove.bg. Now click on upload image, and then just go and upload the face that you just created. Now it should automatically remove the background, and then you can press download. Now once you've created and downloaded your face, you'll need to head over to the Roblox website. Once you're logged into your account, click on create over at the top navigation. Click on creations from the left hand side, and then select development items. Now click on decals, click on upload asset, and then press upload. You can then go and upload the file that we just removed the background from. You can scroll down and you can decide to give this a name and a description and press upload. Now once it's uploaded, if you scroll down, you should be able to find it from this list. Click on the 3 horizontal dots next to it and press copy asset ID. You can then head back over to Roblox, and you'll need to load up the catalog avatar creator. Now once you've opened this game, now click on catalog over at the top of the page, and then click on faces. Now click on item link and go and paste in the number that we just copied. Now press enter on your keyboard and it should take you over to your custom face. You can click on the try on button, and you can now go and preview this face on your avatar.